One of the finest stress-relieving and enjoyable pastimes is baking, which is also one of the best healing methods. This video is undoubtedly for you if you are starting a home baking business or if you just want to get your baking hobby going and serve cookies to your loved ones. In this video, I will do my best to locate the 5 best ovens for baking cakes that meet your requirements and demands, and these will flawlessly bake the cakes that will wow your loved ones. I will leave links in the description and you can check them at the latest price. Starting our list with the Breville BOV 450 XL Mini Smart Oven. Breville BOV 450 XL is an ultra-compact mini smart oven, which means that its compact size design takes the minimum space and fits anywhere easily. With a super fast 1,800 watts preheat feature, your meals will be on the table in no time. This oven operates on 110 to 120 volts, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Due to its compact nature, this oven is also easily transportable. It evenly bakes and cooks toast, pizzas, and cookies and gives them a sumptuous texture. The heating system is smart, meaning that it evens out the heat distribution within the cooking cavity. This quality makes the oven extremely precise and stable. There are 8 preset cooking options available in the menu bar. These adjust the time, heating, and temperature inside the oven, so you have a lot of baking options. But as you might be led to believe, the compact design does not stand as a disadvantage. The oven holds an inner tray that is up to 11 inches wide and can hold 4 slices of bread together. The LCD timer measures the cooking time of the food and is easy to read. The walls of the cooking cavity are non-sticky, so you do not have to worry about making a mess while cleaning. Upgrade your cooking game with the Breville Smart Oven Compact Convection, where intelligent design meets mouth-watering results. The number 2 is the Calphalon Quartz Heat Countertop Toaster Oven, a culinary powerhouse designed to elevate your cooking experience. With a robust 1,500 watts of power and a stainless steel construction, this toaster oven is built for both performance and durability. The brushed finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. This oven comes with a quartz heat system that allows the food to be cooked under 40% more heat. This allows faster and more efficient cooking. The evened out heat makes the food crispy and consistent. The quartz heating system also preheats the interior of the oven before usage, thereby saving a lot of cooking time. There are cooking options on the menu board that extend up to 11 preset buttons. The oven offers a wide range of options from baking, broiling, roasting, reheating, warming cookies, pizza, bagel, and toast. The oven also enables dehydrating. The internal space is large enough to fit a 12-inch pizza. The smart display of the oven helps in your interaction with the oven in terms of setting temperature and heat control. The innovative LCD helps in tracking the progress of the food being cooked. The backlight enables you to watch over the food. The dimensions of the interior are 21.5 multiply 17.8 multiply 14.7 inches respectively. The exterior is built of stainless steel, so as to provide you with an easier scope for cleaning. It comes with an additional supply of a baking pan, a dehydrator rack, as well as a pizza tray. The Calphalon Quartz Heat Countertop Toaster Oven is a stylish and powerful addition to any kitchen. The number 3 is the Oster Countertop Convection Oven. The Oster Toaster Oven, a versatile 7-in-1 countertop appliance, is designed to make your cooking experience a breeze. With a capacity of 3 ounces and a powerful 1,500-watt heating element, this oven utilizes convection technology to ensure fast and even heating. The large interior design of the Oster gives you a scope for extra added space when you take it out on holidays. You can use up that extra space for baking cakes and cookies for a large number of people. The oven is big enough to fit 2 whole pizzas, as well as about 16 to 18 slices of bread, a roast, or even a whole rotisserie chicken. There are 2 stories with adjustable trays so you can customize the heat and temperature for your food. Like induction cookers, this oven comes with preset digital options for various food items such as cakes, pizza, and toasts, so you do not need to worry about timing your food. If you are an amateur baker, this is the oven for you. The auto shoot-off feature lets you know when your food is ready to be taken out of the oven. This feature also saves a lot of energy. This Oster toaster oven not only delivers exceptional performance, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The number 4 is the Panasonic FlashPress Oven. If you are on the lookout for an oven that cooks faster than the average oven, this is just the oven for you. Not only does this Panasonic model have a compact countertop, but it is also installed with enhanced infrared heaters that cook approximately 30% faster than the average convection oven. Preheating is also not required before you put the food in because of the advanced convection. This makes your baking experience simple. This toaster oven boasts an impressive capacity of 410 gallons, allowing you to prepare meals, snacks, and sides with ease. It is powered by a 1,300-watt heating element that utilizes innovative double infrared heating technology. Panasonic FlashPress comes with an inner tray that is square-shaped. If you were looking to prepare pizza, this tray is the right fit for you. The diameter of the tray is measured to be around 9 inches and can fit up to 4 slices of bread. It comes with a removable crumb tray, which makes the cleaning process easy. Plus, you get bright and clean interior so that you can keep a watch on your food being cooked. The oven is fairly easy to operate too. There are 6 preset buttons in the menu section. If you press any of these, the machine calculates the heating time for you and sounds a beep when the food is ready. Whether you are toasting, baking, reheating, or defrosting, this toaster oven is here to simplify your cooking experience and deliver delicious results every time. The number 5 is the Black & Decker Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. The Black & Decker Countertop Convection Toaster Oven, a versatile kitchen companion that is designed to simplify your cooking experience. This toaster oven boasts a powerful 1500-watt heating element, ensuring that it can handle a wide range of cooking tasks. With a 6-liter capacity, this toaster oven is ideal for smaller meals and snacks. It is perfect for reheating leftovers, toasting sandwiches, or baking personal-sized pizzas. Black & Decker has been specially optimized to make your home experience of oven cooking and baking as simple as it can be. The cooking functions present in the menu tab stretch up to 8, letting you cook a large variety of food. You can bake, broil, make cookies, pizza, toast, bagels, and much more with these options. But Black & Decker is one such oven that is not only spacious but is also budget-friendly. The extensive interior has a 2-storied rack system and fits trays that are 12 inches wide. The rack system not only offers more space for extra food, but also helps you to determine how much you want to heat the dish. Whether you are preparing a quick snack or a small meal, this toaster oven offers precise control and efficient cooking, helping you achieve delicious results every time. Overall, all ovens are best for baking cakes, but I recommend the Breville BOV 450 XL Smart Oven. Its compact size, fast preheat feature, even heating and smart technology make it an excellent choice for achieving consistent and well-baked cakes. Consider your cooking needs, available space, and desired features to determine which microwave best suits your lifestyle and preferences.